Welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. And it's been a little bit since I recorded the last video and managed to get a couple more nights in on M16, the Eagle Nebula, focusing on the region with the Pillars of Creation. And as you can see here, we've got one subframe each for this video anyways, of H alpha, H beta, O3, and S2. So S2, we can kind of see the pillars right in here. O3, they're more predominant. Hydrogen-Beta, a little fainter, and in hydrogen alpha, much more clear. So all I did was take these single subframes and I used LRGB combination. I did not have a luminance that was usable, unfortunately, for tonight's video. And then I just mapped out, so in this particular case, what would be true color, H alpha, or S2 would be our red. H alpha gives us more detail. O3 would be our green, and hydrogen beta would be our blue band. If we go to, let's just pull up a graph real quick. All right, so as you can see here, this is the nice little graph of our spectrum. H alpha and S2 are in the red. O3 is in the green, and then down here, hydrogen beta is actually in the blue band. So let's get back to PixInsight. So if we wanted a more natural image, H alpha is in our red, O3 is in our blue or green, and hydrogen beta is in our blue. And if we want the Hubble palette I always remember as SHO, or SHO. So in our red, we would have our S2, green would be our H alpha, and blue would be our O3. So I've already got those combined. Image 6 will be our Hubble palette, and image 8 is going to be our natural. So let's take our look at our natural real quick. Nice red colors, a little bit of gold in here. Clearly the detail's not there. These are single 20-minute subframes. So a little blue tint to the stars, but you know, this is stuff we would be working with. This was just a simple star alignment to register them and then combine them. So we're not too overly concerned with noise and all that good stuff just yet until we get more data. This was just more of a proof of concept, and I really wanted to do something with this target because, you know, like I said in the last video, this is just that target. The Pillars of Creation is just one of those targets that when you saw it before you got into the hobby, it was probably one of those, wow, that is stunning. And then, as we saw in my last video, when you get to see your data on it for the first time, you can just have that wow moment again. So let's look at the Hubble palette. Little greenish, doesn't have the rich colors. Stars are a little purplish, but even looking right in here as opposed to here, and seeing more detail over here. But you know, I have to keep in mind that these are single subframes. You know, I don't have the signal to noise, I don't have a luminance, so, but I'm going to be really happy with this, I think. I just need more data. And the past week I have not been able to image at all, unfortunately, and it looks like it's going to be possibly into next week before I get to image again. And then the moon's going to be in contention, so this target's going to be, oh well. Well, this is going to be an interesting target to try. But for now, just happy with what I got, you know. I'm just happy with it. So I'm gonna start working on my what do you call it there, workflow. Wow, ooh boy. I'm going to start working on my workflow for LRGB data and get my process icons and everything set up. So hopefully the next few videos will be trial and error of me trying to get that workflow going. So as far as this one's concerned, I kind of like where this is going to go. Yeah, it's going to be real interesting to see how all this plays out. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and doing your part to flatten the curve so we can all get back to some sort of normalcy. And please stick around for the outro. As always, clear skies and have a good one.
Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember to